Good morning, class. I'm Mario Pinson. My group is made up of Wesley, Edwin, and Felipe. Let's not waste any time and dive right in. Today we will be going over a tutorial of a program which shows a class's grade percentages and which is the highest grade. First, the user is asked to enter the total points out of 500. Then it divides each input by 500 and multiplies by 100 to get a percentage. After it returns the percentages as they were entered and shows which grade is the highest. To declare a vector we need to include a vector. First we declare our vector and our data type, which is double. We name it score. Int I will be the scores entered by the user. This prompt will come up once the program starts. We set up our Boolean variable called more and initialize it to true. Then we make a while loop. Next we enter the conditions. Z is going to be the scores inputted after the prompt shows up. If z equals 0 then more is false and the while loop starts over. If it is greater than 0 then it continues. We add values to the vector by using pushback. We use this method to add the element to the vector from the end of the vector. We add a value of z so the first value of this vector will be z. Next, we create a variable with a double type and we call it highest. We then set it equal to the first slot in the vector, score 0. To access the values in the vector, we use a for loop. We can access the value using the square brackets and the index. This is how we figure out which score is the highest. We use a for loop and turn the scores into percentages by dividing the scores entered by 500 and multiplying them by 100. It then assigns the highest grade to score I and outputs it. Once the code is written, we have now completed the program. We then compile and run it to see if everything works. Good morning.